Welcome everyone to the new video lecture. So this video lecture is all about voltage divider circuit. So we are going to learn about the voltage divider circuit and how this circuit can be made. A voltage divider is a simple series resistor circuit. Its output voltage is fixed fraction of its input voltage. Now in simple terms I can explain. Voltage divider is a circuit which divides the voltage. Now we will see how we can divide the voltage. Now this is the best example of voltage divider circuit. Here we have connected two resistors in series, that is resistor 1 R1 and resistor 2 R2. The voltage drop across the R2 is the output voltage, and also you can say it's a divided output voltage. Now in the circuit, Vin is the input voltage applied to the top bottom of the series resistors, as you can see in the picture, and the Vout is the divided output voltage, that is we are taking it from the bottom resistor, that is R2. Now this is the equation or formula you can say to calculate the divided voltage output, that is we need to calculate the output voltage. Now the formula is Vout is equal to input voltage multiplied by, that is resistor ratio. So R2 divided by R1 plus R2. At first it seems complicated. Let me tell you, it's very easy. I will explain you with the example. Now here in the circuit we have connected two resistors in the series. As you can see, the values of the resistors is given, also the value of input voltage is given. The resistor 1 has the value of 1 kilo ohm and the resistor 2 has the value of 3 kilo ohm, and the input voltage is 12 volt. Now we know the Vin, we know the R1 and R2. Let's put the values and get the answer of the Vout. So 12 into 3 divided by 1 plus 3. So the answer is, as you can see, so 12 into 3 by 4, and the answer is 9 volt. As you can see, we have applied the voltage of 12 and you are getting the output of 9 volt. Right? So as you can see, the voltage get divided. Now the question is why we need to divide the voltage. So in real life practical circuits, we need to read the values of different sensors. Now how can we read the values of those sensors? So for that we need a voltage divider circuit. Here I have just showed you the example of LDR sensor, that is light dependent resistor. What does this sensor do? This sensor changes its resistance whenever the light falls on the surface of the sensor. So whenever light falls on the circuit, it changes its resistance. As I have already told you, Vout of the voltage divider circuit, it depends upon the Vin as well as on the resistance. So here you can see the LDR changes its resistance. As you can see in the picture, here the voltage 5 volt is fixed, but what is changing? The resistance is changing. So whenever the resistance change, the output voltage of the voltage divider circuit changes. So we want that output voltage for reading the light intensity. So we are giving this output voltage to the microcontroller. So in our case, the microcontroller is Arduino. So based on that output voltage given by the voltage divider circuit, we can read the light intensity. So this is how we can utilize the voltage divider circuit in real life practical circuits. So in the next video, you are going to learn about the analog input and digital input. So see you in the next video.